Hello everyone! When you are looking at various ceramic tableware samples, you might be thinking, can I still hit my target price if I go with this style? A finish isn't just about how it looks. So today, I will walk you through ceramic finishes and tell you how they will affect your choice. Firstly, let's start with reactive glaze. It's the artist of the group. Those flowing and predictable colors make every piece unique. It pairs beautifully with Stoneware, bringing that natural organic feel loved in Western markets. Because kilns results are hard to control, it costs a bit more, but once filled, it's strong and long-lasting. You will often see it in boutique brands or lifestyle styles that want something truly handmade inspired. Then let me introduce the metal glaze. Soft, modern, and elegant, it hits water spots beautifully, which is why hotels and coffee love it. It's a middle-range option that still feels high-end. Though fine scratches may appear over time with heavy use, its clean, understated looks fits perfectly with the Nordic clam luxury trend. And the hand-painted brings human warmth. It has simple strokes, small variations, and real charm. They take more labor, so the cost is higher, but buyers in Europe and North America love the authenticity. It's crafted by hand, feeling gives even a simple plate a story to tell. And the next I want to introduce is the embossed design. They add a touch of luxury and depth without extra decoration. The cost increase is moderate, and the pattern is built right into the body, making it very durable. That's why embossed pieces often appear in premium hotel wear and classical retail collections. Now let me introduce the artwork, the glazed decals. If you want detailed artwork, floral prints, or branding, this is your ideal choice. They look stunning on porcelain and bone china, but keep in mind, over-glazed decals are not always microwave or dishwasher safe. They are very popular in giftware lines and designer collections. On the other hand, the pad printing is all about efficiency. It is liked by many people. It is perfect for simple, constant logos or two-tone patterns. It works on all types of ceramic bodies. Fast, cost-effective, and built for volume. That's why it's widely used in hotelware, promotional items, and mid-range tableware worldwide. Now let me introduce the beautiful gold accents. A fine rim or delicate motif can instantly lift an ordinary piece into the luxury category. Often used on porcelain or bone china, gold adds cost, and isn't microwave or dishwasher safe. Still, it's a bestseller in luxury markets, especially in the Middle East and Central Asia. Finally, I will introduce the color glaze. Bright, consistent, and reliable. It's loved by factories for its varying stability and by buyers for its budget-friendly price. You will find it everywhere, from supermarket shelves to casual dining sets in Europe and the US. Of course, ceramic glaze finishes go far beyond these steps. They are not isolated techniques. They can be combined in endless ways. Just like musical notes can form endless beautiful melodies. Most important is to match your glaze, not just to the design, but also to your business strategy. Who's your customer? How will they want it? And what's the right price point for their market? Once you answer those questions, choosing the right finish becomes much simpler. If this breakdown helps you think differently about sourcing, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.